Hey guys, HayyanPro here. Today I'm going to show you how to go and downgrade your macOS version. But before this video starts, I just want to put a few disclaimers. This will only work with the Intel Macs, and this won't work with the M1 Macs. And second of all, you're going to need to go back up your actual Mac's storage to some sort of SSD or hard drive. In this case, I have everything all backed up inside this SSD, so I'm good to go. But you guys just want to go back up your Mac into some sort of drive or to iCloud. And if you just want to go check which version, and if you have an Intel Mac, just go at the top left corner, press the Apple logo, and press About This Mac. Inside macOS Ventura, it should say macOS 13.0.1. And for your processor, if it's an Intel computer, it should say some sort of Intel Core. It could be i5, i7, or i9. Alright, so the first thing you guys want to do is you press the Apple logo, and you just want to press Shutdown. Okay, so once your Mac is fully shut down, you guys can go press the power button. You're going to hold down Command, Option, Shift, and R. So we're going to go press the power button. We're going to hold Command, Option, Shift, and R. And just keep holding it down until you see the Internet Recovery screen. Over here, we have the Internet Recovery area. It says choosing networks. So just go press your preferred Wi-Fi network and just type in its password. So over here, it's going to be starting the Internet Recovery mode. And you're going to have the small bar over here. This is going to reach 100%, and then see the Apple logo, and it's going to be reaching to the actual area. And over here it says starting internet recovery. This may take a while, and so this actually will take a while. This really depends on your Wi-Fi speed. I have fairly fast Wi-Fi, and this still takes me anywhere 10 to 15 minutes. So if you have slower Wi-Fi, it'll probably take you longer, and maybe upwards of an hour. So I'll see you guys then once this is finished. Okay, so once your MacBook boots inside the macOS utilities, what you want to do is you want to go inside Disk Utility, press Continue. So over here you just want to press Erase, and then just press Erase. And this is where your this is where your SSD or hard drive backup comes in handy, because all your information is stored on here. So once it's done, you just press Done, and then just X out of here. And then over here, there's going to be a little thing, like the second thing down, it's called Reinstall macOS. You just want to press Continue. Then over here, it's going to say that the name of your original macOS version your MacBook came with. So then over here, in this case, macOS mojave. So over here, you're going to press Continue. And this is going to be mostly like a normal installation of like a macOS system. So just press Agree. Then you just going to go select your drive. So once you guys can hit install, it's just going to start installing by itself. And over here, it says it's going to take around 25 minutes-ish. So I'll see you guys then once this is finished installing. The computer has successfully booted up into the macOS mojave, and now we're just going to go set it up. And now we have macOS mojave. As you can see, we are back inside version 10.4. We're back inside version 10.14.6. Whereas the old one was the version 10.13, and this Mac is the old version. But thank you guys for watching. This is a pretty simple tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.